Welcome to PQI, where we take pride in offering the finest and sustainably sourced red sandalwood for sale. Our commitment to environmental stewardship is reflected in our partnership with the Ministry of Environment, Forest, and Climate Change in India. Through this collaboration, we ensure responsible sourcing and contribute to the preservation of our precious forests. Red sandalwood is renowned for its unique beauty and various applications. From exquisite woodcraft to therapeutic oils, its versatility knows no bounds. It's not just a purchase, it's a statement of our commitment to sustainability. Whether you're a manufacturer, artisan, a business owner, or simply someone who appreciates nature's gifts, PQI has all the perfect red sandalwood for sale now. Visit our website today to explore our red sandalwood, place your order, and join us in supporting sustainable practices and job creation. Purity Quartz, Inc., your trusted source for premium red sandalwood. Together, let's foster a greener and brighter future. Thanks for watching.